I'm Alice. Welcome to Korean Ladder, your radio step up into everyday Korean.
안녕하세요, 하나입니다. 오늘도 자연스러운 한국어를 같이 배워요.
안녕하세요, 준호입니다. 짧은 만남을 예쁘게 마무리하는 표현을 배워 보겠습니다.
Here is my question. In English, I say have a good one all the time. In Korean, can I just say 좋은 하루? Or do I need more?
좋은 질문이에요. In Korean, we usually make it a polite wish. 좋은 하루 되세요.
And later in the day, you can say 좋은 저녁 되세요. In English, have a good evening.
오늘의 패턴은 좋은 blank 되세요예요. The blank is the time. 하루, 저녁, or sometimes 주말.
So the important ending is 되세요. It makes the wish polite.
맞아요. 되세요 comes from 되다, to become, in a polite honorific form. As a set phrase, it means may it be a good day for you.
First, listen naturally. 좋은 하루 되세요.
좋은 하루 되세요.
좋은 하루 되세요.
좋아요. 좋은 means good, 하루 means day, and 되세요 makes it a polite wish.
Now evening. 좋은 저녁 되세요.
좋은 저녁 되세요.
완벽해요. In a shop, at work, or with a neighbor, this sounds kind and not too heavy.
Can I use it when I first meet someone, like hello? 좋은 하루 되세요?
Usually, it closes the interaction. First you say 안녕하세요. Then when you part, 좋은 하루 되세요.
But in a short morning message, 좋은 하루 되세요 can also open warmly. Like, hope you have a good day. Context decides.
So if I am leaving a bakery at noon, I can say 좋은 하루 되세요.
맞습니다. Now let's hear it in a tiny real-life exchange.
봉투 필요하세요?
아니요, 괜찮아요.
네, 좋은 하루 되세요.
감사합니다. 좋은 하루 되세요.
Notice the feeling. It is polite, light, and everyday. Not dramatic, just kind. 좋은 하루 되세요.
감사합니다. 좋은 하루 되세요.
I like that both people can say it. It is not only the Clark's line.
Exactly. If someone says 좋은 하루 되세요 to you, a simple reply is 감사합니다. 좋은 하루 되세요.
Now repeat after me. 감사합니다. 좋은 하루 되세요.
감사합니다. 좋은 하루 되세요.
좋습니다. Keep 감사합니다. Clear. Then make 좋은 하루 되세요 smooth.
What about 6 p.m. when I am leaving the office? Is 좋은 하루 되세요 still okay?
At 6 p.m. 좋은 저녁 되세요 sounds more natural. You are wishing them a good evening after work.
During the day, 좋은 하루 되세요. In the evening, 좋은 저녁 되세요. On Friday, you may hear 좋은 주말 보내세요 too.
Wait, that one is 보내세요, not 되세요.
맞아요. 좋은 하루 보내세요 is also very natural. 좋은 하루 되세요 is common and polite too, especially as a service style closing.
For this rung, remember the set phrases. 좋은 하루 되세요 and 좋은 저녁 되세요. They are safe, polite, and easy to use.
Common mistake time I want to say good day, so I say just 좋은 하루. Is that wrong?
By itself, 좋은 하루 feels like a fragment. Add 되세요 or 보내세요 to make a complete polite wish.
Another mistake is using 잘 지내세요 when leaving a store. 잘 지내세요 means take care or be well. But for a quick purchase, 좋은 하루 되세요 is smoother.
So, 좋은 하루 되세요 is the everyday, polite, small goodbye wish.
Quiz. You are leaving a cafe at 7 p.m. The barista has just handed you your drink. What sounds most natural?
I am choosing B. 좋은 저녁 되세요 because it is evening and it sounds complete.
정답이에요. 좋은 아침 is morning and 좋은 하루 by itself is unfinished. 좋은 저녁 되세요 is the natural choice here. 정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 좋은 하루 되세요는 낮에 헤어질 때 쓰는 공손한 인사예요. In English, it means have a good day, especially when you are parting.
둘째, 좋은 저녁 되세요는 늦은 오후나 저녁에 자연스러워요. In English, have a good evening. Use it after work, at a cafe, or with a neighbor.
셋째, 좋은 하루만 말하면 조금 덜 완성된 느낌이에요. In English, do not stop at good day. add 되세요 to make it a polite wish.
넷째, 대답은 간단해요. 감사합니다. 좋은 하루 되세요. In English, thank you. Have a good day. This is polite and safe.
Keep a sentence. 감사합니다. 좋은 하루 되세요.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 감사합니다. 좋은 하루 되세요.
다음 시간에는 짧은 인사에 자연스럽게 대답하는 법을 이어서 배워보겠습니다. 좋은 하루 되세요.